How's it going, everybody? Nick Ag with Hobby Extreme. Begin realizing that it's been a very long time since I've actually posted anything, and I'm really sorry to that for the fans and the people that have actually really been enjoying my videos. Um, it's an honor to actually see how many people have been actually really missing out on just me posting videos. I've always just been doing this for fun, so I really am thankful to all you guys. I've really tried to do some cool things. Um, basically haven't been able to post anything. I actually haven't flown an airplane since last year's Joe Nall, and it was a bit weird seeing that I wasn't able to attend this year's Joe Nall and realizing that I haven't flown anything since then. It's been a magnitude of things, mostly career, financial, and just time being able to do anything over this last year has been non-existent. So that's been really, really sucking. I've really have started my aviation career, and if anybody's a pilot out there in the aviation career knows that when you're starting out, it's a very difficult career. It takes a lot of time, and you don't really have a lot of time for yourself, and especially with me working for Cape Air, not really enough money to even be able to buy anything. So, something you guys actually haven't seen yet is I haven't posted the day like 2 or 3 from the last Joe Null. And the main reason of that is just I actually I kind of crashed the Raven. It was pretty muddy, so I put the gear through it. It should be able to be fixed, but I've actually been waiting on a motor box for that aircraft for the past year. I've been looking on AJ's website, hoping to get a motor box here soon, but it's just never came available. So that kind of put my motivation down a bunch, and haven't been able to buy a new airframe, so I haven't been able to fly. And then on top of that, schedule and everything has just been really screwing us up. But we're not done. We want to keep going. We want to keep doing stuff. We're making videos just because we like it. We love the hobby, and it's pretty fun. So over this last year, I'm hopefully being able to move into a better company. I've actually am hired by Republic and also JetBlue, so I'm actually just waiting on them to give me a class date. Been waiting about 9 months for a class date, so that sucks a bit. But I'm hoping that once I get to a better company and a little more time, I'll be able to have the financials back up to where I'll be able to buy some airframes and also hope eventually have some more time a little bit. And also really cool news is we are moving. Over the past 4 or 5 months, we've actually been really considering on trying to move, and we are actually my parents, Mark, and also my wife and I are moving to Tennessee together. So we are actually moving to Pulaski, Tennessee, and we actually found an awesome property. Nice big 60 acres. Not big enough to fly airplanes, unfortunately. Even though it sounds like 60, it's a lot hilly. It's really a lot of trees, so it wouldn't be doable. But it has 2 homes on it, so we're actually going to be living on the same property together. So trying to create like a homestead, just family compound thing, that was kind of our goal. And that's also been taking a lot of time and effort to try to achieve. We're actually moving there at the end of this week. So thank you everyone for that. It was kind of surprising to see that I've had some comments and stuff over the last just 9 days ago, asking where we are, and it's kind of crazy. I didn't really think that people liked us that much, but obviously you guys have definitely proved me wrong on that one. So that's really cool. So thank you guys that actually still try to keep in touch even after a year of probably not posting a single thing. And we will hopefully be doing some new things. I'd love to be able to do some more build videos and flying stuff, and then watch me and my dad make absolute retarded mistakes and then be able to learn from those, and you guys can learn from those as well. So thank you guys so much. We'll be staying in touch. We'll be hopefully posting some stuff here soon. I'm at the point where I'm debating if I even want to post the freaking Jonal day 2 or 3 because it's been so dang long. I also lost a lot of motivation with, I just didn't like the videos. I was editing them and I lost motivation because I just didn't like the content, and it just, I don't know what it was about it. It was so hard to edit. I think it was mostly just from me cracking up the AJ that really kind of got me down for a while. I really loved that airplane and I didn't have it for that long. So if you guys actually want me to try to go through that video and see if you guys still want to see it, even though it's a year old at this point, then please let me know. I might try to just muster through it, and just, even if I don't like the video, I might still try to post it out if you guys want to see it. But I didn't even get any video of the actual incident, just aftermath stuff, so that was kind of sucky. But thank you guys so much. Really appreciate you, and we'll eventually hope be able to pick back up and keep at the pace that we were going when we first started the channel. I knew it was going to be a lot of work. I didn't realize how much time and effort it was going to take for these videos. And also, Dad is really cool. I don't know if we ever talked about it, but Dad lost his first class medical, which is a medical you need to be able to fly for the airlines, like an airline like JetBlue. And he actually lost his medical about 7 years ago. So he's been out of the cockpit for a while. And he just recently, over the past month, got his medical back. So it was a big battle. It was a long battle. But he actually got his medical back, and he is currently in Florida going through training with JetBlue to get back into the seat. So that is insane to think that that's actually happening with how long he's been out of the seat. So that's been a godsend. And a lot of things have been happening to us, and in a very good way. It's been very difficult. We've been tested a lot, but we're getting through it. And eventually, once we get through this, it's just been a crazy year. It's been a really aggressive year, but we're gonna come out better for it. So thank you guys so much. Please stay tuned. Again, very sorry to you guys. I never intended for the YouTube stuff to be a full career or anything like that. I was just doing it for fun, and it seems like we actually have a pretty good following. Surprisingly, for some reason, some people like watching us, which I don't understand sometimes. But thank you guys again so much, and we'll try to keep this going. Hopefully sooner than later. Thank you. See ya.